Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add transitions to your videos in Capcut PC here. So as you can see, I have one video here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply do a few split to this video. So Control B to basically split the video here, and I'm going to do Control B again to add another split there. So now I have three different clips within my video. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to show you a few ways how to add transition. So as you can see, I have the three clips here. Now the first way how you can easily do that, guys, is by simple go ahead. Once you select the video clip on the timeline, just click on animation on the uppermost right hand side. Click on this tab. And once you click in that, you will have a few different transition ins, out, or even combo. So basically the in simply means that what's going to happen at the start of the video, and the end is basically what's going to happen towards the end of this video. Basically adding these animation is going to be added for a single video, right? And that's why I said I'm going to show you a few ways. So as you can see, I click on the fade in, and basically the start of this video is going to fade in, as you can see there. Now towards the end of this video, what I want to do is go to under animation. You want to click on the out tab, and you can simply go ahead and add a different kind of animation, let's say, to do a different kind of transition. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just select, for example, let's choose this one here. It's going to slide up, so I'm going to click on that, and as you can see, towards the end of this video, it do a slide up. So as you can see, it fades in and it slides up, right? You want to do the next clip as well, so that they have like a different style of transition, or if you want to do the fade in as well. So you want to click on that, and for the second clip, you want to ensure that you go to in, and you want to find something that you like. So let's say I want to do this one. So as you can see, it basically fade, slide up, and zoom in. And here you can see the two different style of animations, right? That basically do different kind of transition. However, my favorite is not this style, and I'm going to show you how to do something much more fancy. So let's say I don't want to use this kind of transition, right? So let me go back to animation here and basically turn these off, go to the out as well, and basically click none on each of these clip here, because I'm going to show you how to use something much more nicer, right? So let's say you have your different clips here, right? And you would like to have nice transition. You want to ensure that you click on transition at the top here. So you have transition option here, and this will load a wide range of different transition you can choose from. Now, these are the trending ones, but if you click on the left hand side, you can expand this, and you have a whole lot of different categories to choose from, guys. A whole lot of different categories, and these are my favorites. So let's say you want to use, for example, a glitch in. You can click to glitch, and you will find these glitch effects, and you can basically add that. So you have a plus sign here. You just need to find the video that you want to add it to, and just simply click the plus, and it would add it over the two clips, right? So you don't have to add like a out animation, in animation for two different videos, which basically takes time. So you can easily use the transition from the uppermost option here and choose between these different categories. And on top of that, you can make it even more fancy. So like when you know that this is a glitch, you can add like a sound effect to this, right? So you can basically go to like audio here on the top here, and just simply click on sound effects, right? And you can type something like a glitch. So if you type in glitch, you can easily type in glitch, hit enter, and you will find various glitch sound. You see these two little stars here is basically mean that if you find audio that you like or a sound effect that you like, you can add the star there to favorite it. And as you can see here, and when you favorite a song or a sound effect, you can easily click the expand music, and you will have the favorites option here. So if you click on favorites, you will see all of those music or sound effect that you actually favorite. So I'm going to use my favorite glitch sound effect that I have favorite here, and just simply click the plus, and it will add to the timeline. You can always adjust the volume if it's too loud by simple volume down or turn on the volume, and you will see you can also adjust the audio on the timeline as well. So as you can see here, what's going to happen, and they have a nice little glitch sound there. And this is how you can easily go ahead and add, let's say, a much more nicer, smoother transition. So as I said, guys, there's quite a lot of different transition you can go to. You can find various ones here that you can use. There's a whole lot of different categories that you can go through These are the trending ones, so you can find something to your liking that you will find. So just find one, you can drag it to the timeline. If you look for something and it's not yet downloaded, you can always go ahead and click on the download button beside each of these transition. It will take a second or two to download, and you can always go ahead and add it. Let me do a Control B again, and I'm going to add this one to my different video here. As I said, you can drag it to the video, or you can click the plus icon, and as you can see, I've added new transition here and a new transition here. So that's how you can easily go ahead, guys, and add transitions to your videos within Capcut. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.